Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know that spring is just around the corner, so I decided to make a very easy and simple bottle art for the same. And if you are watching my video first time, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now let's check out the video. First of all, take a glass bottle and start painting it with the help of a sponge and a flat brush. So to paint the background, here I am taking green plus white. Here we need to apply at least 3 coats of paint. You can see our background is ready. Now let's apply golden acrylic paint on the upper part of the bottle. And when you are done with this, start pasting jute string or thread with the help of any pasting adhesive. Now cut a shape from the sponge similar to the strawberry and start painting the strawberries on the bottle with the help of crimson red. And after that, start applying crimson yellow with the help of your finger like this. Now add some final details to the strawberries. After strawberries, complete the pineapples with the help of a detailing brush. Now in last, here I am loading my brush with white acrylic paint and writing Hello Spring. done. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do give it a try. So if you recreate this, then don't forget to share with me on my Instagram handle, which is the Amra Palette. Also, if you have any suggestions for me, then please tell me in the comment section below. And I'll be back very soon with some more videos. Till then, take care of yourselves. Have a great day. Bye.